Hello, in this video I will show you how you can perform data backup on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open the settings, now scroll all the way down and go to System and Update. Now open Backup and Reset and go to Backup and Migrate. From here you can clone your phone, migrate data from this device to another device, or make local backup. Backup data to or restore data from a local storage device. So I will show you the second method, local backup, and now you have to click new backup over here. You have to wait, and now you have to select what you want to backup. So I will take only contacts, for example. So click start, and now as you can see my backup is completed. So click done, and now as you can see I have this backup over here. So if I want to load this backup, I have to click on it, select what I want to backup and click start. And now as you can see, restoration is completed. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.